Okay. Hey guys, the Inmine here. Welcome back to take 3 of how to emulate CDI games. The reason this is take 3 is the first time my recording crashed because recording and CDI emulators do not mix well, apparently. And the second time, a family member walked in on me. So yeah, that happens. So this tutorial is going to be using the MESS method, which is the superative, the best method of emulating CDI games. The other method, and pretty much the only other method, from what I can tell, is using CDI emu, and that emulator forces you to use the mouse as your only way of controlling your character. And that sucks because controlling a D-pad by scrolling moving your mouse is not fun. So this method is heavily simplified, so it will not be a huge struggle because it was for me when I tried to do this. So please thank me in the comment. I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that. Please don't, actually. That would be really creepy. Anyway, in the description there's a drive link to this zip folder. It has everything you'll need, so you don't have to go to any other websites and download anything. So once you just extract it to a folder, and when you do, it should look something like this. And here should be the ROMs, the wrong folder. It should come with everything you need. See right here, it has ROMs, and it has the emulator and everything already set up. So when you do that, you want to make sure to use this one, the MESS UI 64. So if you ever want to make a shortcut to your desktop like I did, just make sure you use this one and not this one, because then this one it works and this one doesn't most of the time. So once you've done that, it's a pretty simple process. You go to MESS UI 64 if you didn't rename it. Click, okay, well, it wouldn't be highlighted already for you. So what you want to do is you want to type in this little bar up here, CDI, click on the CDI mono, PAL. Doesn't really matter on the region, except for the ROMs, but I'm pretty sure PAL is the only one that's really left on the internet anymore. So then when you're here, when you want to continue through this menus, just click on the left and right arrow keys really quickly. So move your left and right arrow keys left and right quickly. Once you're in here, you should see a blue screen and a bar. If you don't see this bar, I don't know why you won't see it, because everything should be set up to where you should be able to see this bar in the config, because everything is from that folder. But if you can't see this bar, you're fricked, so you know. Okay, go to this devices section and click on mount. For some reason Hotel Mario doesn't like this emulator, so I'm going to choose Faces of Evil. Why not? And this one actually loaded right up. Wow. Usually you have to wait. Usually if it doesn't load up right away, go to options and soft reset. But since this one loaded up right away, I don't have to do that. So this is pre-configured with your controls. So Z and X will be your buttons. So instead of clicking with this, you use X. And the reason it's like that for this menu is because if it was clicking here to continue, you would have to click to use one of your buttons on the controller, and using your mouse and keyboard to play an old console game in an emulator does not sound very fun, in my opinion. So press X when you're hovering over that. Okay, maybe you do need to soft reset. So soft reset the game, because you might just get a blue screen of death. So when you after you mount the ROM, just soft reset, and you'll be up to this menu again. Press X here. Should get the game because I'm recording the simulator. It's not my computer, I promise. It's so it works. I don't want to continue because the first time I did this, it crashed. So I don't want that to happen again because I had to restart my computer and that was not fun. Point is, this is a really simple way of getting your emulation needs like quenched. So if you want to play CDI games for whatever reason, it's as simple as downloading a zip file and playing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, before I go, I have a Discord server now. So if you want to join, the link will be in the description. So I'm moving my mouse down as if it's like linked to the description somehow. But the link is in the description. Join if you feel like it. There's going to be some cool stuff, I promise. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back, 30-day trial, whatever, blah, blah, blah. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.